I love the business program because no matter what classes you're taking, all the professors care about you. They want you to succeed, and they all have their different outside experiences with their past career history, and whether it was in finance, marketing, management, they all have their own experiences and they all have those opportunities to help you succeed.
One of the biggest decision factors for choosing Endicott for me was that internship program. I knew that having that experience with 3 internships moving on into the job market when I graduate would be very beneficial. And looking back on it 4 years, I'm glad that I made that decision. Even with the couple interviews that I've had, or even just talking to the manager at my current my internship this past semester, they've even recognized how impressive it is that I have 3 internships as I'm entering the job market.
We know that recruiters are looking for more than a GPA or more than a particular major. They want to know, what else have you done while you were on campus? So we're very intentional about that. We work closely with clubs and organizations. We build it into our curriculum. It's part of a class. Several nights during the semester, you're required to come to an event where there's going to be industry leaders and successful alumni and have to engage and make connections and pave the way so that you are well networked for when you go out and start to really look for specific opportunities.
So Endicott actually really wants you to go abroad. They want you to have that global aspect. They want you to go abroad and study your major. They don't want you to just go abroad and take gen eds. They want you to have that experience of taking your major so you know what it's like not only in the US, but in different countries.
I know a lot of people ask me, you're graduating soon, like, are you nervous? And it's like, yeah, I'm a little nervous, but I'm also really excited because I know I have all these great opportunities and great experiences that I've had at Endicott that are looking forward, are gonna help me, accomplish great things, and it really helps my confidence moving forward also to know that I have all those great skills and classes under my belt. So.